Do you see this? It says pitch. Worthless. Every day, thousands of sales pitches fall flat. Not because the product isn't great, but because of one huge mistake most sales professionals don't even realize they're making. If you're tired of hearing, "We'll think about it," or "not right now," stay tuned, because today I'm breaking down the number one mistake in pitching and showing you how to fix it. This one mistake is costing you deals, wasting your time, and frustrating your prospects. And here's the kicker: it's easy to fix once you know what it is. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your pitch into a deal closing machine. All right, let's get into it. The number one mistake sales pros make when pitching is talking too much. I know you're so excited about your product that you can't stop sharing features, benefits, and every little detail. They don't care. Because meanwhile, your prospect is tuning out because it feels like a lecture instead of a conversation. Here's why this is a problem. Your pitch becomes about you and your product and your solution and your excitement. But guess what? Your prospect doesn't care about any of that until they know you have what it takes to solve their problems. So how do you fix it? Here's the secret. You flip the script. Instead of pitching and going right into selling mode, ask questions first. Spend 70% of your time listening and only 30% talking. I know you know this. Here's a simple framework to follow. Number one, start with a powerful question. For example, what's the biggest challenge you're facing right now? Or ask, what's working and what's not working? Number two, tailor your pitch around their response. Number three, check in as you go by asking, does this solve what you're looking for? Or you can ask it in a very indirect way. Would A, B, or C solve your problem? Instead of pitching all your benefits and features, pick out the one benefit that aligns with their problem. The biggest benefit that aligns with their problems offered as a solution. When you make the conversation about them, they feel heard, valued, and ready to say yes. So now you know how to avoid the biggest mistake in pitching. But what about handling those tricky objections like, "I'm too busy," or "I don't have the budget right now"? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to overcome objections without sounding pushy. It's the perfect response to every objection. Click here to watch, and let's take your sales game to a new level. Now stay savvy, and I'll see you there.